For those of us still holding the Toma token and waiting for 2025 bull market to come in, that aggressive pump is going to come in very soon. But on the Toma token right at this point, Toma USDT, you see that the market come back down, and right now we are at this very level of support. So from here, I am now looking at market moving upward because market dropped down. So the BST control of the market all the way to this very point. And right now we are seeing a recovery at this very area. What that means is for those of us holding this token, it will be nice you keep holding because the pump is going to come in very, very soon from this very point all the way to the upside. Of course, if market is moving upward, we're going to see impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement, impulse, just like that, market moving all the way to the upside. And this is what I believe about this very token. And the team are not talking about buyback. So with the buyback mechanism, I also believe that the market is going to pump significantly all the way to the upside more than expected. If you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, you discover that the indicator is now at oversold condition at this very point, which means any moment soon that the market move upward and cross above the 20% line right here, it means that the market have capability of moving upward, and that is what you need to pay attention to. And when that will happen, market is going to move upward. It's a matter of when it's going to happen, and as soon as the movement occur within this very area on the oversold condition, crossing the 20% line with a dilation between the blue line and the orange line on the stochastic RSI indicator, market is going to move upward. Therefore, the price action is going to move upward as well, all the way to the upside. And this is on the 1-day chart, as you can see right here on TradingView. This is very important to all of us that is holding or trading Toma token right now. Pay attention to market moving upward from where it is right now. This is what I am personally expecting from this very chart. And if you look at the MACD indicator, you discover that momentum is gradually shifting from the bears to the bulls. How? Look at it right here. From this very MACD histogram, you see it was red, and from here it's faded. And this means that the market is going to reduce momentum from the bears to the bulls, and we're going to see the market start formation on the positive side again with green bars. Once that begin to happen, then it is a clear indication that the market is going to begin to pump all the way to the upside on the Toma token. However, there is a possibility also that if markets go below this very level of support right here, market is going to come back down a little bit, okay? But that possibility is like 40% right now on the chart. For me, I am looking at something very important right here, which is market moving all the way to the upside from what I'm seeing on the price chart. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now, guys. It's very important for us to pay attention to all this technical data to know where the market is going to move into next for the Toma token. And if you come down a little bit to the 4-hour chart, you discover that the 4-hour chart is now having a little buy pressure. Look at the first buy pressure that come in at this very point, market come back down, and then the second one is right in, but I still believe that the market have capacity of coming back down a little bit before that final movement all the way to the upside. And this is what you need to pay attention to if you trade this very token. If you look at the stochastic as well, you discover is already at the overbought condition right at this point, which means coming back down is going to bring the token downward. Then market is going to move up again. But focus on the 1-day chart because the 1-day chart controls what's going to happen on the 4-hour chart. So once we get that top-down analysis, it means that on the long term, Toma is going to move upward, but on the short term, it can still come back down before that long-term movement is going to happen. So if you are holding the Toma token, hold it because market is going to definitely move all the way to the upside, especially when Bitcoin begin to make another significant rally. To wrap up this video, if you look at the Bitcoin price chart, which is very key for Toma to move upward, it discovered that the market is at a very critical level of support. So at a very critical level of support means that the market have capacity of moving from this level of support all the way to the upside. If you look at this price chart on Bitcoin, it discovered that the stochastic RSI is at oversold condition already. And this level of support we will see spike from in the past. That is where the market is right now. So from this support level, market have possibility of moving upward, and that is what I am expecting, especially before the 20th of January as President Trump take over office. And another thing here is the MACD indicator. If you look at the MACD indicator, it is covered that the markets have been coming back down, okay, with aggressive momentum right here. But from this very point, markets still have capacity of coming all the way to the downside as indicated by the MACD indicator. So once you begin to see reduced momentum right here coming into the positive side of the MACD with the histogram started formation on the positive side with green bars, it will be an indication that that aggressive pump on Bitcoin is going to come in, and Toma is going to pump as well. So this is very important for Toma moving upward. As you all know, if Bitcoin begins to drop all the way to the downside, maybe aggressively, a lot of many tokens and altcoins is going to begin to come back down as well. And this is what we need to pay attention to as holders of this very token. Another one which is going to happen almost immediately is the 4-hour chart. Look at the 4-hour chart right here. Market is at a very important support level and a strong demand zone. Look at market pump all the way from here all the way upward with this aggressive bullish candle, and that is exact same point market is right now. Not only that, if you look at this chart very well, there is a spike, okay, from the bulls. Market come back down and we have this spike right here, which is a volume spike. After every volume spike in the market will then come back down a little bit sometime. In this very case, market can come back down a little bit before that significant move all the way to the upside. And this happens on the chart most of the time, and this is what you need to pay attention to. So this level of support is very, very important on the Bitcoin price chart. This is the 4-hour chart, as you can see right here on TradingView. And this price analysis is very important. And of course, you know that there is a possibility for us to also break this level of important support. And if we break on this level of important support, which means market is going to go below this level of support all the way to the downside. However, if market come back down to the downside below the $90,000 level right here, there is no cause to panic because market is going to still recover and give us that very pump that we need very, very soon, especially in January 2025. And on the long term, on the BTC USDT 1-day chart right here, market is going to move upward as well, but not as immediate as the 4-hour chart. This is what you need to pay attention to right now if you're a BTC USD trader on futures or on spot. And if you are holding the Toma token, this is very important to all of us. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment for more crypto news, updates, investing and day trading strategies. And also watch other video right here and right at this very point. Thanks for supporting this channel.